Hello everyone, I'm Akshada from St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, welcoming you to this YouTube channel. This video is for the paper Shakespeare. Here in this video, we'll discuss in detail Shakespeare's comical play Twelfth Night. Who are the major characters? Viola, a shipwrecked young lady, later disguised as a young man named Cesario, in service of Orsino. So who is Orsino? Orsino is a Duke of Illyria. Olivia, a wealthy lady who lives in Illyria. Malvolio, steward in the household of Olivia. Sebastian, Viola's twin. So Sebastian is the twin of Viola. Antonio, a captain and friend to Sebastian. Antonio is a friend to Sebastian. These are the major characters. And here the minor characters. Maria, a gentle woman in Olivia's house. Sir Toby Beach, Olivia's uncle or drunkard. Sir Andrew Agucheck, a rich man who Sir Toby thinks to be Olivia's wooer. Fest, the clown, a best Fest. And a court jester and who is in the Olivia's house. Fabian, a servant and friend to Sir Toby. Valentine and Curio, gentleman attending the Duke. Here, the structure is, it is a 5-act play. Each act has first act has 5 scenes, second act 5 scenes, third act 4 scenes, fourth act 3 scenes, and the fifth act has only single scene. So this is the structure of the play. And here, a story in a short, the theme of love. This is a triangular love story. So what is love? Love, lust, infatuations. So it has a love at first sight, the fooleries of love, the melancholy of love. So all in one. What is a love triangle? So this is a triangular love story. It has 3 men. So first one is Viola, alias Cesario. Viola is a lady who is going to be disguised as Cesario, a male, is falling in love with Orsino, whereas Orsino is in love with Olivia. But this Olivia fell in love with Cesario as when he disguises as a male. So this is the triangular love story, and whose love is going to join with whom is the climax of the play. And here's just a whole play in a mind mapping situation. If you find time, you can just go through it. And the storyline is here, the story. First, in the starting, we want to know who is Orsino. Orsino is the Duke of Illyria, and he loves the Countess Olivia. Olivia is a lady who has separated herself from all the other living person in that place, because for the past 7 years, she haven't met even a single person, as she lost her brother and mourning for the loss of her brother. She doesn't allow anyone to meet her. But Orsino is in love for Olivia. At that time, Viola enters the scene. Who is Viola? Viola and Sebastian are twins. Twins look alike, but in a shipwreck, Illyria, at the sea, Viola has come to Illyria, and she thought that she has lost her twin brother at sea. He is dead, and from a sea captain, she came to know that Orsino is a Duke of Illyria, and Orsino loves Olivia. Olivia's present situation is known to Viola, and after knowing that, Viola wants to work for Olivia, but as Olivia doesn't allow anyone to work for her, Viola decides to work for Orsino. So this is the situation here. Viola wishes to serve Olivia, but as she can't, she wants to serve Orsino. But as a lady, she can't serve a male. For that reason, Viola disguises herself as a male and named her as Cesario and started working for Orsino. But when she see Orsino and talk with her, Viola falls in love with Orsino. And after telling all the stories of Orsino to Cesario, Viola just promises Orsino that she will help Orsino win the hand of Olivia. That is the present situation. So in the meanwhile scene, we get to know about the household partners of Olivia. Sir Toby is the uncle. He's a drunkard. He wants Sir Andrew Aguecheck to be the overall. Andrew Aguecheck is a wealth man, so he can get all the wealth from him. Often these characters, along with Malvalio, Maria and Fest, used to play fun in this play. And after that, Cesario comes to Olivia and meets Olivia and tells her the love of Orsino for her. But at last, Olivia says that she will not marry anyone. Meanwhile, Olivia starts loving Cesario. So, love at first sight used to take place here. And after that, this will be revealed to everyone. Now, the triangular love story is framed. Orsino loves Olivia, whereas Olivia loves Cesario, that is Viola. Viola is in love with Orsino. Whose love is going to be held in which position is the climax of the play. So, here in the second act, a few scenes takes place. The first one is Sebastian and Sebastian, the twin of Viola, comes to know that he is alive, and he misthinks that Viola is dead. So Sebastian is introduced and he is in the illusion that Viola is dead. And next to it, Olivia have given a ring to Malvalio and asked him to give that ring to Cesario, as he has misplaced that ring in Olivia's house, and see Orsino's reaction to it. And when the scene takes place, Cesario comes to know that Olivia has fallen in love with him, but his disguise is the reason for those things. As she is a Viola and disguised as a male, she can't do anything, and all her disguise has created so much of problem, she thought that. And after that, Orsino just talks about his love for Olivia, and he gets the clue that Cesario has fallen in love with someone, and he asks him to reveal about his love. He just describes his beloved's features, and it resembles to Orsino, but Orsino can't get that Cesario is in love with Orsino. That is, Viola loves Orsino. He can't understand the situation there. But at the same time, a subplot takes place. What happens there is Sir Toby, Andrew, Maria, Fest and Flom, they will be planning to make fun of Malvalio. Maria has planned to write a letter, and she writes a letter to Malvalio indicating that he must wear a yellow colored dress with some, and whenever he sees Olivia, he used to smile and smile without showing any reaction in his face. He wants to be very happy, and he must not react to any words from Olivia. That is the comment given in the letter. And Maria writes the letter as if Olivia is writing a letter to Malvalio, just to make Malvalio the pair of Olivia. So if he perfectly follows these rules, Olivia will marry Malvalio. This is the plan of Maria as in a letter form. Then next, the Duke used to say all the things about Olivia, and again he wants to have Cesario as a messenger from Orsino to Olivia. So this is the scene going to take place in the Act 2. And he can't compare what is the love for Olivia from his side. So Malvalio again starts. The imagination takes place, and Malvalio wants to win the hand of Olivia. And after reading that letter, he wants to follow all the rules and regulations given by Olivia in the letter. So that's the Act 2. Here, in the third act, Cesario has another meeting with the lady Olivia, and Olivia admits to Cesario that she used the ring she sent for him to lure back him to her. And Maria told Sir Toby and Fabian to see Malvalio's actions, so as he used to follow all the rules and regulations given in the letter. And while he is following that, Cesario tried to to back Olivia away from him, but Olivia makes certain plan to win Cesario once again. And when she saw Malvalio's yellow stocking and cross-grated, and he used to smile without considering any situation, she thought him as a mad. And Malvalio makes a famous speech here, and Sir Toby, Maria, Fabian, all these people planned to keep Malvalio in a dark room, and they just put him inside the dark room and got locked him. After that, Sir Andrew started disliking Cesario, as Olivia felt loves Cesario, and he wants Cesario to fight with him and win Olivia. In the same time, we can see Sebastian entering into the scene. Sebastian, along with Antonio, is entering into Illyria. As Antonio is the captain of the ship, he promised that he will be with Sebastian all the time. Both of them is entering into the scene. And Antonio is the enemy of Orsino. Unknowingly, he enters into this kingdom. After entering into the kingdom, they came to know that Orsino has arranged an officer to arrest Antonio. So this is a scene taking place. When this scene takes place, there will be a misconception is going to happen there. Sir Andrew and Sir Toby has written a letter to Cesario to fight one-on-one. When this letter is gone there, Cesario enters into the scene, and Sir Toby and Andrew started fighting with Cesario. After seeing that, Antonio started helping Cesario, considering him to be Sebastian. Meanwhile, officers gets inside and started arresting Antonio, and Antonio calls Sebastian to rescue him, mistaking Cesario as Sebastian. That is Viola as Sebastian, and he wants him to rescue him. But Viola says that is Cesario says that he doesn't know him at all. At the same time, he is taken away by the officers, and Antonio started cursing him that he has betrayed him, and he will never forgive him, and so words will come out from Antonio's mouth. So that is the action taking place there. With this, the Act 3 comes to an end. And now, here in the 4th act, what will happen is, after getting that fight scene over with the arresting of Antonio, Sir Toby and Sir Andrew start meeting Sebastian, and considering Sebastian as Cesario, they started fighting for each other. So as Sebastian enters just into the Olivia's place, they started fighting, and Olivia enters into the scene and rescue Sebastian from Sir Toby and Sir Andrew, and Olivia wants him to love her. That is the main thing in Act 4. Sir Toby and Sebastian are just about to fight when Olivia screams for her uncle Sir Toby to stop. Olivia now scolds Sir Toby. She hopes Sebastian, whom she thinks to Cesario, so it's a mistaken identity, will forgive her uncle and not be displeased with her. Sebastian is amazed with this beautiful woman. He does not know loves him. He does not know who loves him and what to do with that. Replies to Olivia that he will be ruled by her, and the two set off to marry immediately. So as impressed by the beauty of Olivia, Sebastian wants to marry Olivia. So they got a little engagement there. Sir Toby, fearing that his fight with Cesario has put him on thin ice with Olivia. So as Sir Toby thinks that hereafter he won't get any wealth from Olivia. Sebastian can barely believe his luck. A beautiful woman, Olivia, loves him and has given him a pearl. Sebastian briefly wonders if he is dreaming before he marries Olivia in a private chapel. Olivia explains that their now secret marriage will be revealed later. So they used to get a secret marriage, and that will be revealed later in to the people in later scenes. That is their plan actually. Here the Act 4 ends. Here in Act 5 we learn that Antonio is an enemy of Illyria. because especially Orsino for plundering his ships as a pirate in the past. Now as a prisoner, Antonio baffles Orsino by telling him that he and Cesario, that is Viola, mistaken Cesario for Sebastian, he says that have been together night and day for 3 weeks, when who Antonio is really thinking of is Sebastian. So now Antonio talks about Sebastian, but the standing person there is Cesario. But only Orsino knows that for the past 3 weeks Cesario is with Orsino, whereas Sebastian is with Antonio. Orsino cannot believe this. Cesario has been with him for the 3 weeks. Olivia arrives in that scene there, and we see that Orsino still loves her. The feeling is not mutual. Olivia scolds Cesario for neglecting her, revealing that he is her husband. Cesario, that is Viola, amazed by this, pleads his innocence to Orsino, who he truly loves, and Orsino, thinking his servant betrayed him by taking Olivia for himself, prepares to punish Cesario. So that is the scene there when Olivia enters and says that Cesario had not accepted the love of Olivia, but now he is the husband of Olivia. Orsino starts thinking that Cesario had done a great betrayal to Orsino and he wants to punish Cesario at that moment. Now, just for clear reference, Sebastian arrives, apologizing for attacking Sir Toby and Sir Andrew. Orsino, seeing both Cesario and Sebastian, here is the revelation of twins. Cesario and Sebastian together is amazed that he sees 2 copies of same man. Olivia too is amazed. Sebastian and Cesario compare notes on how they arrived in Illyria. So they too started rejoicing that they were not dead. So the sibling had their affection to this. So eventually they realized that since they knew the same father, they are indeed brother and sister. Cesario revealing his real identity as a woman named Viola. The scene comes to an end as Olivia marries Sebastian, Orsino marries Cesario. So this is the pair there. The 4 will get married. Antonio is released from that. Meanwhile, we came to know that there will be a secret marriage between Sir Toby and Maria will be there. So this is the end of Act 5 and 12th night. So many subplots coming at the end of next part. Thanks for watching.